Most homes have a backyard. This one has levels, each with a purpose. Minutes from town center, scenic trails, community parks, and Folsom Lake, with Tahoe just a quick mountain escape away. Everything is intentional. Primary suite on one side, secondary rooms on the other, privacy included. Gardens, gatherings, and quiet mornings. Choose your chapter. Designed for living, built for relaxing. Tour it once, you'll feel the difference.